We are discussing relatives and friends we know. Baman's daughter-in-law, Rhea Irani, was with you in class.
Yeah, not
that
in
time.
class. She was one of
Faculty?
she was faculty.
Oh,
She was
okay.
like one of the people taking care of the courses and everything.
The mass comm course that she did, you
Yes.
completed it or you moved out?
Of course, I completed it. I got
Okay.
a job. I got an internship at Zoom Television.
Wow.
Great internship, and then I went into.
So what were you doing at Zoom? You were the producer.
I came in the events division. You know, they had this
Yeah.
AFP property. You know, all that.
Times of India has all kinds of event
Yeah.
things.
They want everyone's money.
Yeah.
So they were like, how do we get everyone's money? AFP and events, and let's open everything.
So you were there like a salesperson.
I was there. Yeah, I would say I was developing events, and then my boss.
So there was no plan to be in front of the camera or
No.
all that. You were completely like, I'll be I'll develop events and whatever.
Yeah. I liked events because I was dancing with Shamak, so I
Yeah.
thought stage is great. I love it. I love everything that happens on stage. This is where I want to be. And I started working in Zoom, and then I got into programming because I gave a concept for something, for some brand, and I
So you're
remember.
quite multi-talented.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, very interesting. All this, not only the dancing. I know Nach Bali and all is out there, but then
Yeah.
you'd think that because you're in the business, you learn how to dance.
No,
But you're
I
like a
just-
trained Shamak Dawar,
Yes.
which was big in Delhi also.
Yeah,
Yeah,
very
all the
big.
classes.
He told me in Delhi, I remember I was sitting on the floor eating food, and he's like, do something with that face of yours. And I'm like, I thought something's wrong with my
But
face.
he was being complimentary, but he talks like that, so you don't know what he's saying.
Yeah. So that was
He's actually telling you you're pretty, and this is
Yeah.
how he came out. Yeah.
Darling, you should do something with that
Yeah.
face of
The
yours.
darling in the hand movement is right on. That's Shamak. That's right. Yeah.
And I'm thinking, what did I do something wrong? Is there food on my face? So
But
anyway.
I can't believe nobody ever told you why didn't you model and all that,
No.
growing up. No, nobody was.
Yeah, people did, but I think when you're in Delhi and you're in that circle, that was not my life. That
Yeah.
was not. So nobody spoke like that. That you should do this. Nobody. Everyone was more about like, what do you want to do with your life?
But you had no idea in your head to be an actress.
No,
Wow.
no.
Okay, so Zoom programming. So then you started
Yeah.
moving into the actual production of a show.
Yeah.
Which
then
show was
I,
it?
Then I did reality shows. I did this show called Banungi Main Miss India, where they went backstage
Yeah.
with Miss India.
Correct.
And I was one of the kids who was handling all the contestants. I did another show.
Wow, bro. So you're from the other side.
Yeah.
So that's why you're so well behaved.
Yes.
Yeah, because you know what it's like to be on the other side. So you
know
have a
what
little
it's-
empathy level for once you became a star. Yeah. I think a lot of people would change if they could be on the other side first
Yes.
and then, get into
I
it.
actually remember my first day of
Baman, you
shoot.
mentioned Baman off camera. He's like that.
Yeah.
He was a photographer
Because
first.
he was a
so
photographer.
could understand
Absolutely.
what's like.
Yeah,
Sorry, you were
yeah.
saying?
The first time I started acting, I remember I was on a set and I had just come off Zoom television and production and all of that. I actually was helping the lightmen. I started helping them. I was like, "Kya karna hai? Kaise karna hai?" And they're like, "Ma'am, aap wahan baithiye. You don't do any work."
You were on the set as a
I was
producer.
an actor.
Oh, as an actor.
When I started acting, my first few days
So
of
how did you get the first acting thing?
I did some like I saved money for my promo team in Zoom Television. They wanted some model to do some thing.
Oh, that's how. Somebody said, boss, we need a model.
Yeah. Is anybody free? And I was a kid. I was like, we'll go home so early. Let's miss all the traffic and go at 10 o'clock at night. This is fun. Let's do this. So I shot with them. That sort of got circulated. Somebody
was that,
saw
an ad?
it. Yeah, it's an ad.
Do you remember?
Of course, I have it. I posted it sometime
Post
back.
it, give it to us to see show. No?
Yeah.
What,
I'll show you. You
what
want
is
to
the
see it
brand?
right now?
Yeah, I want to see it.
Oh, okay. You give me my phone. It was
Can
a
you play it?
Sunsilk ad. They actually,
Oh,
it's
nice.
so funny. They wanted Jacqueline Fernandez.
Was
At
she
that
like a
time.
big
She was a
star?
model. No, she was a model. But she also said no to them because they were not paying her.
Fair.
So they're like, anybody else? And I was like, I'll do it.
Wow. That's
Yeah.
amazing. Normally they go through all these casting things and calls and up and down.
And this was just
very-
like people popping up from
Yeah.
their cubicles and like, Arey yaar, koi hai kya?
This is like the real Bollywood dream. I'll do it. Next thing, shampoo ad. Next thing, film. Next thing, words.
Here, 1 second. I was a kid. Yeah, where you?
You're having fun.
Yeah.
But you seem to be having a great time.
Yeah, because this is our office bathroom.
And also because they didn't pay you, no?
Yeah,
when
so you're
they
like,
pay you, there's no
screw
pressure.
you.
Yeah, screw
I'll
you.
do what I wanna
Do
do.
what you want. Yeah, I'm so happy.
So this got seen by some people, and then they were like, we're doing a show based on dance and dancers. That was my background. So I was like, come on, let's do it. So that's how it started.
That was
my
the
acting
first.
career, yeah.
Yeah.
And then I was like, okay, I'm hooked now. I can't. And in my Zoom TV, the crew had told me, you come back. If this doesn't work out for you, just come back.
Your
It's
job's
okay.
here.
Your job's here.
Yeah.
So I was like, great, this is fantastic. But I never went back.
But then you just galloped after that.
Yeah, yeah.
Do
I just
different
I was
things.
having too much fun. I think because I was a dancer, so there was an expressive side to me. So I was just happy, like getting to express more by acting. So it's fantastic. Good
But then,
fun.
what was the first big thing you did?
It was
Was
a
it a
television
feature?
show.
Television show.
show. I did a lot of television, but I was just I was very mindful of what I'm doing, and I didn't want to be doing Saas Bahu things. Although I did do a show, but it was too ahead of its time. It was called Maryada. It was on Star Plus. It used to come late night. It had stuff like it talked about being gay in a family where you're going to get married to someone else. It
Did you
spoke
see my
about
expression?
Yeah.
Let's not say anything. We get into trouble.
Then it spoke about like molestation or people having extramarital affairs and how women are suppressed in Haryana.
So real life.
Real life.
we never
and
see
then
on
my
TV,
character
yeah.
is this torchbearer of
Oh, you're
you know,
the-
feminism.
you're the activist.
Yeah, I'm the young kid who's like, no. So it was nice, that show was a little ahead
So your
of
parents
its
were
time.
interfering in what you did and all? Checking
No.
or
They were
doing
just
that?
happy that she's like being dignified and doing, not going crazy with
Yeah.
what she wants to do.
Yeah.
They were just, my dad was wondering, he was like, 1 second, he actually did say, he's like, you went to study. We thought you'll come back.
Yeah.
What the hell happened? Now you want to be an actor? And I was like, yeah, this was not the plan, but the plan was never to come back.
Really?
Yeah.
So when you left, Daddy didn't want to come back?
I didn't want to go back.
I love going home.
No, I love going home.
I know. So you don't want to go permanently back.
I didn't want to go back.
I
like
that's nothing to do
Bombay.
with becoming an actor. That's just independence.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think the spirit of
Yeah.
Mumbai
Really?
got to me.
Well, let's get back to your career. So, then OTT also started.
Yeah.
You've done everything. You've
I
done
did
TV,
everything.
OTT, films.
Yeah.
You've done big films also. Recently, you've done Jawan.
I did Jawan,
Yeah, for
I
example.
was in Jawan. I did a film called Sabarmati Report. I did a small film called Lakkad Bagga.
That was also a big film. Yeah.
Yes, Sabarmati
That you're the
Report.
lead, no?
Yeah,
Lakkad Bagga?
yeah. Sabarmati also was sort
Don't
of
say small film. There's no such thing as small film.
independent film.
That doesn't matter. That's just
It was a
budget.
great film,
Budget's
though.
got nothing to do with the film's
Yeah.
quality. So then film features also started.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I did
we
OTT.
got the features, yeah.
I did OTT. I
reality.
did. Yeah. Reality.
You've done everything.
Yeah.
What do you want to call it? See, Khatron Ke Khiladi is what? I don't want to call it.
I mean, it's a reality
It is,
show,
no?
but
it's
not
a competitive.
captive. It's a
It's
competitive.
a physical
yeah.
competition. So it's different, yeah.
Yeah, it's different.
Yeah.
It's
There's
different.
some physical skill involved.
Yeah,
in
it's
all
12 hours shoot.
Yeah.
I look at it like that.
No, and it's skill involved because you have to
Yes.
do that task.
Yeah.
Literally, there's some sort of, it's a
Yeah.
skill thingy.
Yeah.
While the 50 and all is basically,
Big
it's like
Boss,
a social
50,
experiment
they're like-
thing where you have to
Social
manage.
experiment. Oh my God.
Yeah. Okay, before we run out of time, what's on the plate now? What do you
What's
do?
on the plate? There's Asur 3.
Oh wow, we didn't talk about that.
Yes, let's
That's
talk
big.
about
Asur 1,
it.
Asur 2,
Yes,
which is
with
Arshad. Yeah.
Yes.
Quickly.
Asur is great. It's a great franchise. There's a writer, producer, Gaurav Shukla, who is mad. I think he's Asur himself because he writes all that stuff. I don't know where he comes up with. And right now he's rewriting for Asur 3. We're going to go on floor.
And it's very
hopefully.
tough with a scary thriller, crimey thing.
Mytho.
Yeah, to make it to come
think
back with stories, because it's
No, but it's all in his head. He's a madman.
yeah, but you have to
He's
scare people
crazy.
also. You have to keep us involved.
When we
so.
see the scenes, we're like, you're crazy. You are the real Asur. You're eating everybody
he's a
up.
violent person.
Inside.
Or the opposite.
But he looks like, so he's
God,
really.
he is the part.
Yes, he
Put
is
him in
that.
15, huh?
Yeah.
Then it'll change. There'll be one missing body.
Such people don't reveal themselves.
Yeah.